N400 Personal Information. Questions and sample answers for U.S. citizenship interview. Please replace yellow letters with your situation. Part 1. Information about your eligibility. How are you eligible for naturalization? I am 30 years old and I have been a lawful permanent resident for over 5 years. I have been married to a U.S. citizen and I got my green card for over 3 years. How did you become a permanent resident? I became a permanent resident through my family. My father sponsored me. How did you get your green card? I got my green card through my marriage. My husband sponsored me. Did you get your green card through a family member? Yes, my son sponsored me. Who was the sponsor for your green card? My husband. Or my sister. My mother. How long have you been a permanent resident? I have been a permanent resident for 7 years. When did you become a lawful permanent resident? I became a lawful permanent resident on May 27, 2015. What is your date of residency? Example, May 27, 2015. Part 2. Information about you. What's your current legal name? My current legal name is Elena Katie. What's your full name? My full name is Elena Katie. What's your first given name? My first given name is Elena. What's your last family name? My last family name is Katie. How do you spell your first name? E-L-E-N-A. Elena. Do you have a middle name? No. If you answered yes, officer can ask, what's your middle name? My middle name is Van. Have you used any other name since birth? No, I don't have other names. If you have used another name since birth, officer can ask, what's your first given name? What's your last family name? What's your middle name? Have you ever changed your name? No, I have not. Would you like to legally change your name? Yes, I would. Or, no, I would not. Do you want to change your name? Yes, I want to change my name. Please state your new name. What name do you want to change? My new name is Ella Katie. Can you write down the new name on a sheet of paper? Yes. What is your gender? I am a female. What is your date of birth? Tell me your date of birth. October 8th, 1985. What date did you become a lawful permanent resident? May 27th, 2015. Where were you from? What is your country of birth? Mexico. What is your country of citizenship or nationality? Mexican. Are you a citizen of Mexico? Yes, I am. Do you have another country or nationality? No, I don't. Was one of your parents, including adoptive parents, a U.S. citizen before your 18th birthday? No, officer. Do you have a physical or developmental disability or mental impairment that prevents you from demonstrating your knowledge and understanding of the English language or civics requirements for naturalization? No, I don't. Do you want the Social Security Administration, SSA, to issue you an original or replacement Social Security card and update your immigration status with the SSA if and when you are naturalized? Yes, I do. Please tell me your Social Security number. Can you give me your Social Security number? Example: 878-84-3247. What is your daytime telephone number? 763-749-427. What is your mobile telephone number? 763-749-427. Do you have an email address? Yes, I do. What is your email address? Example: ElenaKatie85 @gmail.com. Biographic.com. Part 3. Biographic Information. Are you Hispanic or Latino? Yes, I am Hispanic or Latino. Or, no, I am not Hispanic or Latino. What is your race? I'm Asian. What is your height? How tall are you? I'm 5 feet, 5 inches. How much do you weigh? Or, what is your weight? Example, I'm 135 pounds. What color are your eyes? Or, what's your eye color? Example, black. What color is your hair? Or, what's your hair color? Example, blonde. Part 4. Information about your residence. What is your current physical address? Example, 8901 Eucalyptus Avenue, California City, California, 93505. How long have you lived at your current address? 4 years. When did you move to the current address? I moved to the current address on July 8, 2020. Has your address changed since you sent your application? Yes or no? Did you move after you applied for naturalization? Yes, I moved 3 months ago after I applied for naturalization. Please tell me your new address. Where did you live before? 1335 East 49th Street, Brooklyn, New York, 11234. When did you move to that address? I moved to that address on May 3, 2024. Have you lived anywhere else during the last 5 years? No. If you answer yes, officer can ask, where have you resided during the last 5 years? Example, I lived in Texas before. Is your current physical address also your current mailing address? Yes, it is. What is your current mailing address? It is the same as the current address. Part 5. Information about your marital history. Are you currently married? Yes or no. Have you been married? Yes, officer. Are you currently single, married, divorced, or widowed? I am single. What's your current marital status? Example: I am married. If you are currently married, is your spouse a current member of the U.S. Armed Forces? Yes or no. How many times have you been married? I got married only once. Have you previously been married? Were you married before? Yes or no. What is your spouse's immigration status? He is a U.S. citizen. If you are not filing under one of the categories above, skip to Part 6. What is the current legal name of your spouse? Nick Young. What is your current spouse's last name, family name? My current spouse's last name, family name, is Young. What is your current spouse's first name, given name? My current spouse's first name, given name, is Nick. What is your current spouse's middle name? My current spouse doesn't have a middle name. What is your spouse's birthday? What is the date of birth of your spouse? Example: February 11th, 1988. When did you get married to your spouse? Example: September 15th, 2012. Is your current spouse's present physical address the same as your physical address? Yes. If you answered no, provide address in Part 14. Additional information. When did your current spouse become a U.S. citizen? He was born in the United States. Other: he became a U.S. citizen through naturalization. What date did your current spouse become a U.S. citizen? Example: December 1st, 2018. What is your current spouse's alien registration number? Example: 000-234-120. How many times has your current spouse been married? Example: 2 times. When did your spouse terminate the previous marriage? Example: January 7th, 2017. Please provide divorce decrees, annulment decrees, or death certificates showing that all of your spouse's prior marriages were terminated, if applicable. Sure. Here you go. What is the country your spouse is from? He is from Canada. What is your spouse's current job? What is your spouse's occupation? He is an electrical engineer. Where is he currently working? Where does your spouse currently work? He currently works at Sear Group. How long has your spouse been working there? He has been working there 7 years. What is your current spouse's current employer or company name? Example: Sear Group. Part 6. Information about your children. Do you have children? Do you have any kids? Yes, I do. What is the total number of children born to you? How many children do you have? Example: I have 2 children. Are your total number of children under 18 years of age? Yes or no? Are your children biological to you? Yes, they are my biological children. What are their names? Example: my son's name is Sean Young, and my daughter's name is Christy Young. Where were they born? They were born in Canada. What are their dates of birth? What are their birthdays? My son was born on June 5th, 2011. My daughter was born on May 1st, 2014. Where do they currently live? They currently live with me and my husband. Do you have any adopted children? No, I don't. Do you have any stepchildren? No, officer. Another situation 1. Do you and your spouse have any children? Yes, we have 1 child together. What is your child's name? My child's name is Anna Jones. What is your child's date of birth? Example: November 17th, 2021. Does your child reside with you? Yes. Where was your child born? My child was born in America. Are you providing support for this child? Yes, I am. Another situation, 2. Do you have any children from previous marriages? Yes, I have one child. What is your child's full name? Example, Mia Brown. What is your child's date of birth? October 22nd, 2023. Are you providing support for this child? Yes, I am. Does this child currently live with you? Yes, officer. Or, no, officer. She lives at 15606 Fox Springs Drive, Houston, Texas, 77084. Part 7. Information about your employment and schools you attended. Do you have a job currently? Are you currently employed? Yes, officer. What is your current job? What job do you have right now? Example, I am a customer service representative. Where do you currently work? Who do you work for? I currently work at Circle K. Who is your current employer? Example, I am self-employed. Please tell me your employer's address. Example, 4801 Northwest 36th Street, Miami Springs, Florida, 33166. How long have you worked there? I worked there about 6 years. What date have you worked there? Example, April 14th, 2018. Where have you worked for the last 5 years? I've worked at the same place. Another situation, 1. Have you worked anywhere else in the last 5 years? Yes, I worked at McDonald's before that. When did you work there? Example, March 12th, 2018. What is your employer's address? 9628 California City Boulevard, California City, California, 93505. Another situation, 2. Are you currently working? Example, no, currently I'm not working. I am unemployed. I am retired. How do you support yourself? Example: my husband supports me. Do you receive any public benefits? No, I don't. My husband supports me. Part 8. Time outside the United States. Have you traveled outside the United States in the last 5 years? Have you traveled abroad for the past 5 years? Yes, I have. How many times have you left the United States since you got your green card? Example: 3 times. How many trips have you taken outside the U.S. during the last 5 years? 3 trips. Note: do not include day trips, where the entire trip was completed within 24 hours. Were any of your trips for 6 months or more? Did any of your trips last 6 months or longer? Did you leave the U.S. for more than 6 months? No, officer. How many total days did you spend outside the United States during the last 5 years? What is the total number of days you spent outside the U.S.? Example: 52 days. How many days were you outside in the United States each time? Example: about 14 days. How long did you stay on each trip? About 2 weeks. Which countries did you visit? Example: Canada and Vietnam. When was your last trip outside the United States? Example: November 22nd, 2023. What date did you return on the last trip? December 13th, 2023. Where did you go? Example: I went to Canada. Why did you go there? What were your reasons for leaving the country? Example: to visit my family and relatives. Another situation. Have you ever left the United States since you became a permanent resident? Yes, I have. Where did you go? Example: I went to Mexico. What were the reasons you needed to take the trip abroad? Example: I have a long business trip. Have you left outside the United States more than 6 months in this trip? Yes, I have. Please tell me why you left outside the United States more than 6 months on this trip. Because the company gave me a long business trip. Can you give me evidence? Yes. Here is a decision for the long business trip. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more.